Every week, developers release practical open-source tools on GitHub to solve real problems. This is a weekly GitHub project update video covering top trending open-source GitHub projects. This week, you will quickly discover useful and trending developer tools focused on AI workflows, local tooling, and productivity. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Skills Task-Specific Capability Catalog for Codex. Skills is an open repository of agent skills designed to extend the Codex AI agent with repeatable task capabilities by packaging instructions, scripts, and resources that the agent can discover and run for specific workflows. Each skill lives in its own folder with a skill.md defining what it does and optional executable code, and Codex loads and applies these skills locally when invoked or referenced in prompts. This matters for developers who want to teach Codex consistent procedures they can share and reuse. Explore the skills catalog to use or build your own. Project number 2, OpenClaw, Open Source Agent Runtime for Task Execution. OpenClaw is an open-source AI agent framework that provides a structured runtime for defining, running, and testing autonomous agents. It works as a Python-based tool where developers define agents, tools, and environments, then execute tasks through a clear control loop that manages planning, tool use, and state. The project focuses on local execution with explicit abstractions rather than hidden magic. This matters for developers experimenting with agent behavior and reproducibility. Explore the repo to run and extend agents locally. Project number 3, claude-mem, Persistent Memory Layer for Claude Tools. claude-mem is a lightweight developer tool that adds long-term memory to Claude-based workflows by storing and retrieving structured notes across sessions. It works by saving memories to a local data store and injecting relevant context back into prompts when Claude runs. The project targets local developer-controlled execution and avoids external services. This matters for builders who want continuity in AI-assisted work without manual context management. Try it to give Claude durable memory. Project number 4, PLI Monorepo, Experimental Language and Runtime Playground. PLI Monorepo is a personal experimental codebase that explores language design, tooling, and runtime ideas in a single repository. It contains multiple tightly coupled projects that share infrastructure and build tooling, primarily targeting JVM-based environments. The focus is on rapid experimentation and deep control rather than polished APIs. This matters for developers interested in low-level language and tooling exploration. Browse the code to study or reuse ideas. Project number 5, 99, Minimal Terminal-Based Programming Language. 99 is a tiny programming language designed to be implemented and understood in a small amount of code. It runs in the terminal and emphasizes simplicity, explicit execution, and learning by reading the source. The repository includes the interpreter and examples showing how programs evaluate step by step. This matters for developers curious about language internals and minimal design. Clone it and experiment with writing programs. Project number 6, Maestro, Prompt-Driven AI Workflow Orchestrator. Maestro is a developer tool that coordinates multi-step AI workflows using structured prompts and defined execution stages. It connects language models with custom logic so outputs from one step feed reliably into the next. The system runs locally and emphasizes deterministic control over free-form chaining. This matters for developers building repeatable AI processes instead of ad hoc prompts. Try composing workflows with Maestro. Project number 7, PageIndex, Document Indexing for Retrieval Workflows. PageIndex is an AI-focused indexing tool that processes documents into structured pages optimized for retrieval and search. It prepares data for downstream language model workflows by chunking, embedding, and organizing content in a predictable way. The project targets local and self-hosted pipelines rather than managed services. This matters for teams building RAG systems with clear data boundaries. Use it to index documents cleanly. Project number 8, Bitnet.cpp, Efficient Inference for Bitnet Models. Bitnet.cpp is a C++ inference engine designed to run Bitnet neural network models efficiently on local machines. It focuses on low-bit computation to reduce memory usage while maintaining functional correctness. The project provides command-line tools and reference implementations for running models without heavy dependencies. This matters for developers exploring efficient model deployment. Build and run Bitnet models locally. Project number 9. NanoChat, Minimal Chat Interface for Language Models. NanoChat is a small, readable code base that demonstrates how to build a basic chat interface for large language models. It shows token streaming, prompt handling, and simple conversation state with minimal abstractions. The project runs locally and prioritizes clarity over features. This matters for developers learning how chat systems work under the hood. Read the code and adapt it. Project number 10. Superpowers, browser-based 2D game editor. Superpowers is an open-source game development platform that runs in the browser and targets 2D games. It provides a collaborative editor, asset pipeline, and runtime for building and exporting games. The system uses a server-client architecture and supports local hosting. This matters for developers who want accessible game tooling. Try building a game with Superpowers. Project number 111. KnowledgeWork Plugins. Task-specific tools for Claude. KnowledgeWork Plugins is a collection of plugins that extend Claude with structured tools for research, writing, and analysis tasks. Each plugin defines inputs, outputs, and execution logic so Claude can invoke them reliably. The project focuses on practical knowledge work rather than general automation. This matters for teams augmenting Claude with domain tools. Explore and run the plugins. Project number 12. OpenCode, Open-Source AI Coding Assistant. OpenCode is a self-hosted AI coding assistant that integrates language models directly into the development workflow. It runs locally and provides code understanding, editing, and generation without relying on proprietary IDE plugins. The project emphasizes transparency and hackability. This matters for developers who want control over their coding assistant. Set it up and start coding with it. Project number 13. Remotion, programmatic video creation with React. Remotion is a React-based framework that lets developers create videos using code instead of timelines. It renders videos by executing React components frame by frame, with data and logic fully controlled in JavaScript. Rendering runs locally or in controlled environments. This matters for developers generating dynamic or data-driven video. Build videos with React code. Project number 14. Oh-my-opencode, custom extensions for OpenCode. Oh-my-opencode is a community extension collection that adds shortcuts, workflows, and enhancements on top of OpenCode. It works by layering configuration and scripts over the core OpenCode setup. The project targets developers who want faster iteration and customization. This matters for power users of OpenCode. Install it to extend your setup. Project number 15. Claude Code Plugins. Official coding tools for Claude. Claude Code Plugins is an official repository of plugins that extend Claude's coding capabilities with structured actions. Each plugin defines clear interfaces so Claude can perform tasks like file editing and code inspection safely. The tools are designed for local or controlled execution. This matters for developers integrating Claude into coding workflows. Explore the available plugins. Project number 16. Claude Code, agentic coding environment for Claude. Claude Code is a developer-focused coding environment that lets Claude operate as an autonomous coding agent. It manages files, executes commands, and iterates on code through a controlled interface. The system runs locally and emphasizes safety and traceability. This matters for developers experimenting with agentic coding. Try using Claude as a coding agent. Project number 17. TanStack AI, type-safe AI utilities for web apps. TanStack AI is a set of type-safe utilities for integrating AI features into modern web applications. It connects with existing TanStack tools and focuses on predictable data flow and strong typing. Execution stays within the developer's stack rather than a hosted platform. This matters for front-end teams adding AI features responsibly. Integrate it into your app. Project number 118. Arc SidePanel Patch, UI patch for Arc browser panels. Arc SidePanel Patch is a small modification project that adjusts the behavior of Arc browser side panels. It applies targeted changes rather than replacing the full UI. The project focuses on practical tweaks driven by developer needs. This matters for Arc users wanting more control. Apply the patch and adjust your workflow. Project number 19. Better Result, safer error handling for Rust. Better Result is a Rust library that provides improved patterns for handling result and error propagation. It wraps common workflows to reduce boilerplate while keeping errors explicit. The library integrates directly with standard Rust tooling. This matters for Rust developers who want clearer error handling. Add it to your Rust project. Project number 20, Open-Source AI Agents, curated list of agent projects. Open-Source AI Agents is a curated repository that catalogs open-source AI agent frameworks and tools. It organizes projects by category and use case, serving as a discovery resource rather than a framework itself. The list stays platform agnostic and community-driven. This matters for developers exploring the agent ecosystem. Browse the list to find projects to try. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.